what's happening, everybody? Johnny Snow back in the building, and I'm actually on my way up here to Arrowhead Pond to let Shannon put this binary trigger in my micro. So I'm gonna have a binary powered micro Draco. We're gonna see how this works. Gonna let everybody come through here with me today, and you know, basically we're gonna see what they have in stock today as well. You know, so it's gonna, one, let everybody see the trigger get installed, and two, see what the inventory looking like up here at Arrowhead. What's up? We done made it here. Yeah, done made it here to Arrowhead. Now we finna go ahead and get this thing hooked up. You know what I'm saying? We gotta go make sure he ain't got nobody in there in front of me. You know what I'm saying? See if I get some special treatment up in here. There go Arrowhead Pond. I know everybody sees it. That's it. That's the spot I be talking about all the time. There go the snowmobile. But yeah, we finna get this binary put in. Yeah, there we go. Arrowhead Pond. Thank you. Here's the trigger that we're getting ready to put in, and it was a close decision between this one, 10-4, and this one, but I'm gonna go ahead and go with the Fostech. All right. So now we have this. Gonna walk on in the back, get all this taken care of. Okay. Sit it right there. Okay, there we go. We have the micro ready to be doctored on. So we're about to change this trigger out to the Fostech up here at Arrow. There's the old trigger. He has it out. All right, here we go. Binary trigger on there. Let you get a good look at that. So we're definitely about to shoot some stuff up, and this is Arrowhead Pond. They do it all. So you want to know where to get it done, where to buy them at, all that, come on up here to Arrowhead. We got you. All right, what's happening, everybody? It's Johnny Snow back. Done finished a little trip to Arrowhead, and as you see, they got it looking good in here. They got it installed. As you see, you got the 2 pins right here, and probably find a little plug or something to go in that hole. But that is the Fostech binary trigger. You have 1 PAL, whole bunch of PALs, safety. All right, and that's the trigger. And here, let me go ahead and open it up, let you guys see what it looks like on the inside. Here we go. That's what the trigger looks like. As you see, it's a lot more going on than a regular AK trigger. A whole lot more going on than a regular AK trigger. So here, let me dry fire it right quick. Put this thing back together. Put the cap back on, the dust cover back on. Actually, I'll do it without the dust cover. All right. Here we go. Let's see if you can see it. All right. Let's put it on one shot. Boom. Let me do that again. Magazine. Bolt hold open magazine. All right. Here we go. Boom. Come back. Yeah, let's see what the take up is. It's real crisp. That's the take up. And boom. All right, let's put it on binary now. And boom. 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 So there you see, it is working. Binary, one pull, shoot, one release, shoot. One pull, shoot, one release, shoot. So, hey, it should make big, big, big booms. Big booms. I like it. I like it. I like it. So I didn't get a chance to go to the range today. But what I'm going to do is take it back to my undisclosed location. Take it back to the undisclosed location. And I'm just going to let loose on the car. Everybody said they wanted to see it. So that's what's going to happen. I'm going to let loose on the car back down at the undisclosed location. So be on the lookout for that video. It is on the way here real soon, real soon. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit notifications, and go check out the Snow Armory. The Snow Armory. That's snowarmory.com. And I got all this done at Arrowhead Pawn and Gun. Arrowhead Pawn and Gun. And that's over there off Terra Boulevard in Jonesboro, Georgia. Go to arrowheadpawn.com. They have the triggers there. They install them there. And with them, if you buy it from them, they put it in for free. And I think Shannon said they charge about $50 to put it in if you bring your own. So, you know, $50 if you bring your own. If you buy it from them, they put it in for free. That's on Southside ATL. Southside ATL. So, you know, anybody in the ATL, if you want the binary, make it go bang, bang real fast, right over there at Arrowhead. All right, Johnny Snow up out of here.